Let me get lit for a minute.
I need an arm and head, Cartier and leg, arm and leg.
I just be trying to have fun, bro. Anyways, today's video is about how to make money as a teenager. You can be 13, 14, 15, 16. Matter of fact, it really don't even, you can really be like 9 if you want to. Like, it don't matter. It don't matter. I'm gonna put teenagers because I know that's what people gonna search up on the internet. Anyways, yeah, today's video, I'm doing how to make money as a teenager. I'm gonna have all the stuff on my phone, so if you see me looking at my phone, that is why I got everything in my notes. But yeah, man, I'm gonna just go ahead and get to the point so I can go ahead and get this video started. All right, man, number one of how to make money as a teenager slash kid, whatever you wanna say, is start a small business. But yeah, man, start a small business. Like, start selling candies, a whole bunch of stuff like that. Like, it's simple stuff. Like, you don't have to be out here starting your own clothing brand or anything like that. Like, you don't have to do anything that big. If you want to and you know how to get there, yeah, you can do that. Make sure that you know what you're getting into and you do the like proper research you need to do to like know what you're doing. Cause I don't need y'all going out here being like, I haven't told me to do this. No, bro, no. Just learn everything about the business you want to start, because starting a business is not easy. It's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into it. It's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff that you're gonna come across that you didn't expect to come across. Like, it's just bound to happen. But yeah, man, that's number one, start a small business. Let's go on to number two. Number two is start a YouTube channel. This kind of goes into start a business. Basically, almost everything in this video is kind of under the start a business, but it's different business that you can start that not too many people think about. When people think about starting a business, a lot of people think about starting a clothing brand, open your own shop, stuff like that. No, you can start a business on your laptop, doing stuff on your laptop. Like, you don't need to do something physically, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, man, start a YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel. You're watching me on YouTube right now. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into number three. Number three is start a Fiverr account or a Fiverr business. Fiverr is a website. I'll put it on the screen. Fiverr is a website or a platform where you can basically put up like a post saying that you can do something for people, and then you do it for them. Like, so say for you can be on Fiverr and you can post, say, I'll edit a YouTube video for you, and then they can send you the clips, you edit it, send it back to them, and you get paid. They're like marketing for you, basically. Now, if you're gonna do Fiverr, I recommend you being really serious about it. I don't recommend you to do something on Fiverr halfway, because if you do, you can get a bad review. One bad review can ruin your business, I'm just saying that. But yeah, that's basically Fiverr. On to number four. Number four is sell old clothes. Now, I have a whole bunch of clothes that I don't wear. Like, I have clothes from back when I was in elementary school still. I can sell those if I wanted to, but I kind of don't because I'm too lazy to do that. I'm just being honest. But basically, there are a lot of ways to sell old clothes. I know some people that make private stories on Snapchat just for their clothes, and they put like on their story, join my private story if you want to buy some of my old clothes or look at some of my old clothes. A lot of people do that. Some people post it on their story. There are apps like Depop, Grill, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. There's just a whole bunch of places where you can put your clothes at, and the more places you put them, the higher the chances of the clothes getting bought, basically. Selling clothes isn't that hard. It's not that complicated if you sort of know what you're doing. Yeah, selling clothes is number four. Let's get on to number five. Number five is neighborhood jobs. So what I mean by neighborhood jobs is doing jobs like mowing people's grass, taking out people's trash. You can really start like a real business doing neighborhood jobs, especially during the summer. Neighborhood jobs are perfect for the summer because you have the whole day, unless you like have a different job or something. But to be honest with you, if you have the whole summer and you don't have anything to do during the summer, I recommend you to get some type of neighborhood job, because you can make a lot of money doing it. And if you go to like 5 houses in one day and mow 5 lawns, that's $100 in a day. And you do that 5 days a week, that's $500 a week. And then there's like what? Around 12 weeks in the summer, that's 12 times 500. That's $6,000 in one summer. $6,000 in one summer can really change your life, to be honest, especially if you're a kid, because you can use that money to invest in other business. Yeah, you can make a lot of money doing neighborhood jobs. A lot of people don't realize that. But if you do the math, you can see that it can be really profitable. Neighborhood jobs comes in at number five. Let's get on to number six. Number six is food or grocery driver. Now, if you want to be a food or grocery driver, you have to be above 16. You need a driver's license and you need to be able to drive around. All you have to do is sign up for apps like Uber, Instacart, DoorDash, just apps like that. Apps where somebody places an order for something. You go to the store, like say for instance, I'm sitting at home and I want some milk from the store. I can get on Instacart, buy milk from the store. Somebody can go to the store, buy that milk, deliver it to my house, and I pay for it. And the person that drove it gets some money from doing that. There's a lot of money to be made in being a driver or a grocery driver. Number seven, answering surveys. Now I was thinking about doing a video idea where I answer surveys for a certain amount of time and see how much money I can make. Comment down below if y'all want that video. I think it would be a good video. Basically, all you do is answer surveys. Like, the job title is in the name. But yeah, all you do is you go to different websites where you can answer surveys, and they will pay you for answering those surveys, which you aren't gonna be getting paid a lot. Like, you might answer a survey for 10 minutes and then get paid 10 cents. If you're looking for something that can make you a lot of money, I don't recommend doing this. I feel like time is money, and if you want to make the most money, do not answer surveys. But this is something you do if you like small or something and you really don't have the opportunity to do some of these other things I mentioned in this video. Number 8, thrift and resell. Now, I made a video not too long ago about thrift, and basically all you do is you go to stores like Goodwill, Salvation Army, Half Off Half. I named those stores in the past video. Go watch that video. I'm gonna put it right up here so you can watch it, or over here. I don't really know. I think it's over here though. All you do is go to stores like I just mentioned, buy clothes that look good, and I don't mean like buy like just a plain white t-shirt and think you can make money from it. I mean buy like race car shirts. Like race car shirts, they go for a good amount of money. Buy race car shirts. Matter of fact, I got some right here. I got this this beanie right here, and it matches me a lot because my last name, it starts with an A. I got this from Goodwill, and it was brand new, like has never been worn. I haven't even worn it yet. But yeah, I got it from Goodwill, and I got this right here for like $2. You can get this and sell it to somebody else for $5. You just made $3 just like that. But yeah, if you go to the thrift store, you can find a whole bunch of good stuff that you can resell and make a lot of money. Now, the places where you would sell the stuff is like basically the same places that I mentioned when I was talking about selling old clothes. But yeah, there's a lot of money to be made in thrifting and reselling. There are a lot of people that do it full time. So that just goes to show you how much money you can make thrifting and then reselling it. Number 9, affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of y'all probably don't know what affiliate marketing, but in my opinion, this is probably one of the best things, especially if you start a YouTube channel or you have like influence on social media or something like that. So basically what affiliate marketing is, you sign up with a company, then the company gives you a link, and in that link, anybody who buys from that link, you'll get commission from the sale. You can make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing. I've seen somebody else on the internet who's done affiliate marketing have made over $1 million in a year. So that just goes to tell you, you can make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Number 10, sell your artwork. This kind of goes under the category of start a small business and kind of the category of Fiverr, because you can sell your art on Fiverr. It's like, say for instance, you're good at drawing and somebody wants a cartoon version of themselves. You can get on Fiverr, make a post saying that you can change somebody's picture into a cartoon version of it. And you can make money from doing that. All right, so number 11 is Swaybucks. There's a company called Swaybucks, and basically all you do is you can watch movie trailers, you can watch like little short videos. You can get paid by watching these videos. All you do is you sign up, you can watch videos, and then as you watch videos, if I'm not mistaken, you get coins, and then you can redeem those coins for cash, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know for sure because I've never done it personally. Do not quote me on that. I don't know for sure. What I do know is you can watch movies, movie trailers, and you can watch short videos. Number 12 and the last one is start a blog. So what a blog is it's a website. It talks or it's about one certain thing. So you can make a blog about electronics, you can make a blog about basketball, football, baseball, anything you want. It's basically just a website where you talk about a certain niche or a certain subject. Anytime you look up top 10 Apple products, the websites that are there, those are blogs. Those are websites that talk about one particular product. The more people that come to your blog, the more money they make. When you go to a website and you see like those little ads on the side of the screen, that website is making money from ads. But yeah, man, that's it for this video. If you like the tips that I gave, go ahead and please hit the like button. And I did hear that if you don't hit the like button, your business is gonna fail. That's what I heard. I don't know who said it, but that's what I heard. So do that. But yeah, man, thanks for watching the video. I'm out.